If your phone case has turned yellow, don't worry, there's a few easy ways to clean it and make it look new again. First, try washing it with soap and water. Use a soft cloth or sponge and make sure to scrub gently. Rinse it well and dry it with a clean towel. Sometimes just a good wash can help. And if that doesn't work, you can use some baking soda. Mix a little baking soda with water to make a paste. Apply the paste to the yellow area and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently scrub it off with a cloth and rinse it again. Another option is to use rubbing alcohol. Soak a cotton ball in the rubbing alcohol and rub it gently on the yellow spots. And this can help remove the stains, but be careful not to damage the case. If none of these work, these methods, it might be time to get a new case. So when choosing a new one, look for a clear case that won't yellow easily. Remember to take care of your case by cleaning it regularly so that it stays looking good, okay? Let me know if this helped in the comments.